And
Cool.
I wanted to say that I want to say a few things about it. So here's some of the things that I liked about it. First of all, you just present real calm and real casual. Like I
Thanks.
feel like you've got a lot of potential as a speaker. If you ever wanted to personally brand yourself, if you ever wanted to get into training, you're very easy to listen to. You speak very well. You're able
Thank
to
you.
get content. I think you should pursue that. Just an opinion.
Mhm.
Also, I think I feel like there's a lot of when we look at marketing. So I know, for example, like you looked over some of the stuff in the comments. People are talking about, chat's always interesting, like Christianity
Yeah.
versus like different stuff. But all that doesn't really matter because we don't come here as consumers. If anybody's commenting like that, they're thinking this is a consumer. I'm coming here because this is for me. You guys always miss the point, right? I keep having to remind people we create content for all the other people that haven't even yet heard about this so that when they come in, there's something for them. And so what I like about it is like the things that you're talking about. I know a lot of people that are really into this stuff and it fascinates them and they really like looking into it. And to be able to have like a little clip like that, like even your own clip like that. That's why I made you
Yeah.
full screen, just to be able to clip something that simple, to be able to take that recording, put it on a little video funnel. You now have that as another marketing tool. If somebody's ever
Yeah.
interested, hey, let me send you to a little video I made about this. And then you have the little resource underneath, plus you have a link to be able to go into the community. And so it's bridge marketing. It allows you to be able to talk about something like that and be able to lead them into this community. It's brilliant marketing. It's not just bridge marketing, it's brilliant marketing. It's what we should all be doing. It's finding things that interest us, figuring out a way to be able to communicate that to people and share it with people as a
Mhm.
way, as a form of a funnel. And so I wanted to have you full screen so I could record that so that when I have these people, all the time people are talking about this stuff. Interesting. Oh, you should watch this video of my friend that my friend just made about this. And then boom, next thing you know,
Yeah.
put through the funnel. So if anybody, whether or not people understand what you're talking about or whether or not people even agree with it, doesn't really matter. It's about having a variety of content and a variety of stuff and be able to have the community come out and teach. I think that was
Yeah.
really, really good.
Exactly. Honestly, I've never even been like a big, was never really into astrology, but when I heard about this and how it's kind of like a compilation of everything and like quantum physics, that was huge to me. And I didn't even get into the science of it, but I could definitely break that down at a different point and um, share with you a little bit more about it. But that was just like the juicy part of it, 'cause I love that part.